Acrylic.
Natawag daw ako ng General Assembly meeting. Utos ni Leonie.
No constitution yun.
O hindi daw tayo mag-eleksyon. So, I would like to call this assembly to a general membership meeting to elect our new board of directors. May I call on the Comelec chairman to announce the rules.
We are now in plenary session. Can we have order, please? Our constitution requires that election be held during a general assembly. And a few seconds ago, our president declared a general assembly of the members of the BAI. So the floor now is now open for nomination of the floor, although nomination was open last Saturday. I brought a pad of paper. Those who have nominees, who agree to the nomination, please write the names of your nominees. I understand that Brad Odialsona has talked to a number of potential nominees, so may I request? Okay. These are the rules, no? We have to nominate 7 new directors. And ideally, we have to maintain a good balance of budgets. We would welcome nominees from, out of the 7, we should have 2 coming from the bad 70s. 2 from the 80s, and 2 from the 90s and the 2000s. Now, the 7th one may be from the 70s or the 60s. No? And in extreme cases, no, if we run out of talents, no, I don't think that's the case. So, if you have nominees, talk to the person beside you. If we fail to nominate enough directors, then I will be forced to request a special election to be held at some other convenient time. So that we don't spoil your fun now. Also, if we don't nominate anybody at all, it's okay with me. Because that means that the incumbent directors will serve another year. Okay. Do we have nominees on paper or spoken on the floor? Odialsona is ready with us.
Sabi ni Pete, out of order po yan.
Okay.
So, anyway, I will come back to you, no? Remember, we are still in plenary, no? Even when you're drinking, you may be called to order in any minute, no?